Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to change Mini Cooper ambient lighting. Only way. Remove the negative battery terminal immediately, then set your vehicle to accessory mode for testing later. Work on a clean surface with well-lit conditions and soft cloths to protect trim. Keep a parts tray for screws and small clips, and always test new LEDs before reassembling panels to ensure proper color and brightness. In this section, I will list the essential tools and parts you need before starting the job. Use a T20 Torx, a plastic trim pry tool, and a 7mm socket as primary hand tools. Prepare replacement LED strips or bulbs that match your Mini Cooper model and color preference. Keep electrical tape and zip ties ready, and bring a multimeter to confirm 12V power and reliable ground connections while you work. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like and consider supporting the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty when you're crouched under a dash or sliding around in the garage. They stay comfortable and won't wear through mid-project, which matters when you're handling tiny screws and clips. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Begin by removing door sill trim and then work inward toward the dash with a plastic pry tool to avoid scratching panels. Carefully detach glovebox retainers and lower dash pieces to reveal ambient LED housings and wiring runs. Unplug connectors by pressing locking tabs and note connector orientation, then replace LEDs or strips and temporarily reattach panels to test lighting. Once verified, secure wiring with zip ties and reassemble panels in reverse order.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.